on the equity markets. The Nifty traded in a flat manner throughout the day around the crucial resistance trend line and closed in the negative today, down 13 points. The advanced decline ratio though was pretty impressive with 1100 odd advances to 445 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, Reliance, ITC, TCS, HDFC were some of the Nifty 50 stocks which were in the negative today, while ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Hindustan Unilever, State Bank of India, L&T, Tisco were some of the Nifty 50 pack which supported the market and have closed in the positive today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has faced resistance exactly at the downward sloping resistance trend line and has closed in a negative today. Now today's negative close has a crucial importance, as if we close or if we trade above today's high of 7433 on the upside in tomorrow's trading session, then we start a new leg on the upside, which indicates that we could retest the highs of 7563 which were touched on May 16 in the coming trading sessions. So today's high of 7433 becomes a crucial level for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator still has a negative crossover, so if in tomorrow's trading session we see some selling pressure, then the Nifty could drift down till 7200, which is the lower trend line of the triangle, of which this could be the wave E of the triangle on the downside. Now moving on to the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, we can observe that the hourly momentum indicator has given a negative crossover. Currently the Nifty is trading above its 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are crucial supports in the coming trading sessions. If we see the level of 7433 being reached on the upside, then and only then we can see Nifty trading in the positive in the coming trading sessions. Until and unless our short-term trend remains negative, and we expect levels of 7200 on the downside in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the positive today on the back of banking stocks like ICICI, Axis Bank, State Bank of India, some of the smaller PSU banks like Allahabad Bank, IDBI Bank, to name a few, traded in the positive today. However, we have not breached the swing high of 15,415 on the upside. So until then, unless that is breached on the upside, our view on the Bank Nifty as well as remains negative. If in tomorrow's trading session we see the swing high of 15,415 being breached on the upside, then 15,742 is the next crucial resistance for Bank Nifty. On the downside, 15,148 and 15,000 odd levels are crucial supports for the Bank Nifty in the coming trading sessions. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains negative. 7433 is a crucial level to watch out for in the coming trading sessions. If we trade above this 7433, 7450 kind of levels, then we can revise our upward targets on Nifty in the coming trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.